Hello guys, welcome back to Error Genie. In this video, I'll show you how to change the Taobao app language to English. If you import from China or you want to start buying from Taobao, this setting will make the app much easier to use. Before, most of the app was only in Chinese, which made it difficult for people outside China to search, order, and understand product details. But now, you can switch parts of the app to English by changing the region settings. First, open the Taobao app on your phone. From the home screen, tap the profile section at the bottom right corner. This is usually the My Taobao area. Inside settings, look for location or region. Tap on it. If your location is currently set to mainland China, change it to Singapore. Singapore may appear in Chinese, so look carefully and select it. After selecting Singapore, tap Confirm. Now go back and refresh the Taobao app. After refreshing, open the profile section again, then go back to settings. This time you should see a language option. Tap language, then select English. After that, you can also change the currency if you want. You can choose the currency that is easier for you to understand, or keep RMB, if that is what you normally use for buying from China. Once this is done, the Taobao app should switch to English. Most menus, product details, and descriptions should now be easier to read. Some reviews or seller text may still appear in Chinese, but the main app will be much easier to use than before. So the quick steps are: open Taobao, go to Profile, open Settings, change location to Singapore, refresh the app, go back to Settings, choose Language, then select English. And that's how you change Taobao to English on the mobile app. If this helped, like the video and subscribe to Error Genie for more helpful tutorials.